did. I'm a city girl. I talk, I like money, and I like bags. The fuck? It's so fucking cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking happy. Okay, so let me tell y'all how to secure the bag.
Shout out my mucus. Can you know that be my slide?
Hi guys. So I know I haven't been here for a while, but today I'm doing an unboxing of my Telfar bag. It literally came today while I was in class. Once I heard the door knocking downstairs, I ran down those steps. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this bag. If you don't know much about Telfar, Telfar is like the Birkin of streetwear, and so like right now it's in such high demand, but I bought it to support a black business. Next black business I want to support is Brandon Blackwood. People want it so bad that there's people out here buying it and reselling it. Someone reached out to me. Oh, this is what I see. I got the white one. I got the white small shopper. It was $150 plus tax. $13 tax was a little crazy, but I really wanted this bag. I ordered it on November 18th. Today's the 19th. It didn't even take 2 days, but okay. So I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, so it's wrapped. Now we're about to open it. Let me see if my hands have any makeup. Okay, no makeup on my hands. Oh wait. all right, you guys. All right. Let's pull it out. Oh wait. Oh, it's so yeah. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the bag. It's crossbody. It's really small, bro. Like, what? This thing is small. I thought they were over exaggerating when they said how small it is. Like, compared to my head, it's the size of my head, maybe even smaller, because I do have a big head. But oh my gosh, this thing is oh my goodness, this is really small. Like, really small. I want to try packing this to see what I can fit in here. Like, now I wonder, what exactly can I fit in here? So let me go grab my work bag so we could compare and contrast. So this is my work bag. I'm gonna try to fit, not everything, but some stuff from my work bag onto this, I believe. So I'm gonna take my card case. That's how much space it's taking up. Guys, these things, or everything in here used to fit into my, oh wait, let me take off the hand sanitizer. Let's add that to this bag as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking happy. Okay, so I'm 5'6". Let me show you guys where it hit. Like, look at this. You guys, I think I'm wearing this to work tomorrow because, hold on, I don't want to get makeup on it. I got white out of all colors. You could carry it like this. Okay, so let me tell y'all how to secure the bag. So what I did was I literally stocked their Instagram page like daily, and I kept on commenting like, what are like the color I wanted. I was like, when are you guys gonna bring back the white? When are you guys gonna bring back the white? When are you guys gonna bring back the white? Like, I really never gave up. So I guess they got tired of me because they didn't respond. They just dropped it. They said, here, leave us alone. You better be quick. So basically they posted, you have to check their story and their page. So put on your notifications for both, because that's what I did. And I got the notification like the day before. From their page, they actually made a post and they was like, they're dropping the whites tomorrow. So it was like the day before. So they were like, they're dropping it tomorrow, and if you want it, be there at 9. I go to work, so I was on a train at like 8:46, and it was on underground. So like, I'm here looking at the time. 8:50 rolled by. I'm still on the train. My stop's like one stop away. 8:52. The minutes were going fast. The seconds were going fast. And then I finally get off the train at like 8:56. And so I get off the train, I start walking, I'm like, oh, I got time. I was already on the website. I had my credit card information ready. Like, I copied and pasted so quickly. I just, like, as I was walking, it hit 9 o'clock, and I was staring at my phone, so I stopped. I put everything in, like, boom, boom, boom. And girl, I got it. I got it. I'm so happy. I got it. I love these colors. I love the color green and pink together, like, and white. Oh my god. Girl. I would highly recommend it. You're supporting a black designer, and these are the Birkins of New York City. These are the Birkins of streetwear. If you live in New York, if you like streetwear and you enjoy streetwear, then I would highly recommend you get this. It's so small but takes so much. Damn. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys want an updated handbag collection video, I mean, I'm still gonna do one, but like, comment if you'd like to see that, because my other one, it's so cringy and just, ooh, it's gonna get deleted soon, so I might record that sometime soon. But yeah, look at my cute little bag. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Yeah. All right.